There it is, the guide coat has been applied. Now real quick, I'm going to show you how I'm going to be block sanding it. I'm going to be using 180 grit so I can start sanding that door. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Now you saw how I block sanded this. Let's just get started. Let's start painting it. It's finished at 400 grit. Now I already did the wax and grease remover. Everything is covered, everything is ready. So I am going to be applying sealer. That's going to be the first step. Apply the sealer so that everything can be a uniform color. Then I'll start with the teal, the bottom color first, because I need to cover that. So it's going to be a two-tone color, a two-tone paint job. As you know that the El Camino is a two-tone. So let's go to it. And there it is, the first and only coat of sealer. All you need is one. All you're trying to accomplish is get a uniform color. I had several different colors of primers and self-etching primers. I just wanted a uniform color, and the sealer accomplishes that. Now, what I am gonna do, I'm gonna spray the bottom part first, which is the teal color right there. I'm gonna let it set for about 20 to 30 minutes after I have sprayed it. Right now I'm waiting 15 minutes for that sealer to cure. Come back before applying the teal, come back and use a tag rag, clean it up, make sure that everything is nice and clean, and go with the teal. The gun I am using is SATA 5500 with the Luma 3 Sun Pro, which it helps a lot. My paint booth here is not that illuminated, so with the Sun Pro, it just, I can see where the paint is landing, so it helps a lot. If you haven't tried it, guys, try it with the Luma 3. It helps, it helps. So I'm gonna let it sit for 15 minutes and then I'll come back once I'm gonna start applying that teal. There's the first coat. Now you might be asking, why are you applying teal on the inside? The thing is, right here, this line right there, that's where I'm gonna cover it up. I'm gonna cover it up from there to cover the back, to cover the front, I'm sorry, which is this. That way the paint will wrap around to the inside. The rest is gonna be that dark blue, but I'm gonna use that line to cover it up. That's the reason I am applying teal on the inside. That's the first coat. I'm gonna be applying 3 coats and go from there. So far, so good. There it is. 3 coats of the teal color. Now I'm gonna wait 30 minutes. I'm gonna wait 30 minutes before I can tape it up to cover it up. But the 3 coats have been applied. I'll bring you back once I start taping it. It's been 30 minutes. I already covered them up. I did put a fine line tape right at the edge. Then I used the automotive tape and just covered it up. That is all I did. Right there, you can see the fine line tape right there. So the automotive tape is on top of the fine line tape. Once I remove it, you're gonna have real crisp lines, and that is how I'm gonna divide it into the door. I did both sides. We are ready to go. Let's mix up the other blue, finish it up. There you go, the first coat. Now I am making sure that the tape is pressed. It's not lifting. So far so good. This is the first of 3 coats that I'm going to apply from this darker color. So it's looking good. Let's just wait those 10-15 minutes for it to dry. Clean it up with a tack rag and continue with the other 2 more coats. Let's just jump to that time lapse so that you can see me apply the other 2 coats, and we'll be done with the paint. There you go. After 3 coats, I already removed the bottom. Real nice crisp lines. If it's done correctly, guys, you're not gonna have any issues. Right there, it wraps around. Let me show you how I'm gonna remove it on the other door. There it is, the first coat of clear. Now I am gonna apply 4 coats. Reason being is that I am gonna resand them and flow coat them. But as you can see, the lines came out real nice, perfect. So I'm just gonna wait about 15 minutes for this first coat of clear to kind of dry up, and apply 3 more coats. But right there you can see the panels are nice, flat, straight. Show you the other one. Looking really, really nice. Can't wait for this car to be completely assembled. It's gonna look really, really pretty. Let me just wait those 15 minutes. There it is. 4 coats of clear. Came out really nice. All I gotta do is just wait. I'm gonna be waiting for a couple of days before I start sanding them so that I can flow coat them. I am gonna show that, so just stay tuned to my channel. But that is the way you do two-tone paint job. This El Camino is coming along nicely. Really, really nice. And this will be it, guys. This will be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something from it. And thank you for sticking around. This will be it. Have a great weekend. Have a great week. I'll see you this coming Wednesday. And like always, stay safe and God bless.